Hi, my name is Jacopo. I'm Italian and 29 years old. I'm honored to be part of the Collision family, and I will talk a bit about myself. I'm a drummer since when I was 3 years old, probably because my father took me to a lot of concerts with him. I used to be self-made, but I also studied a bit when I was 7 years old for 3 or 4 years. Now I'm studying in a CPM Music Institute in Milan. And during my musical life, I played different genres like metalcore. The first band was a metalcore band, and we recorded like the first EP at 17 and 2 albums, and we did a little tour outside of Italy in 2019. And during that time I also played with other bands, explored different genres like indie rock or progressive metal, also slower stuff like pop rock. Now I'm the drummer for Talking Chaos, which is an alternative rock band, Astetal, who is a instrumental post-rock band, and the Castro Brothers, that is a country rock band which mainly do covers, but we are also writing some original stuff. Talking about Collision, I started playing with their sticks 2 months ago, and I really like their products. The sticks are well crafted and also the aesthetics is very good. But the thing I like the most about Collision is that it's a brand made by drummers for drummers, and I'm happy to be now a part of their community. Okay, let's go to the music. I'm gonna play the last single from my band Talking Chaos. It's called Somebody Who Seems a Friend. Hope you enjoy it, and be sure to follow us if you like it, because we're dropping our first album at the end of this summer.
Smile and walk away, 'cause I say that it's okay. I'm talking to a ghost that I feel I've met before. We all have demons we try to forget. It's down inside where nobody can find them. It doesn't matter if you believe me or not. This is our journey and it's gonna be long. And so he says, yeah, he says we should not be afraid.